Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Awesome Ashish. So today we have Pop Race. So this is Skyline GTR V8 Drift Kenmeri, and this is I got for 1700. So let's go and do the unboxing. Okay, so we got the car. The packaging is good. Look at that. This is really good. You can see a little bit shine and glitter. So let's just check from the bottom. This is metal bases, metal chassis actually, and it says made in China and it says Pop Race. You can see the detailing over here. This is really good. And on the side you can see the wheels are really good. It's like very thick wheels, and this detailing over here, you can see one of the exhausts is coming out from here, and it says Skyline GT, and the wheels are at one and Yokohama. The back you can see it says Skyline GTR, and then there's a number in the plate. It's 36535, and then some more detailing in Japanese I believe, and it says Skyline GTR, which is really good. You can see the tail light, it's painted. Overall detailing is good, and you can see that metal frames inside. And look at the front, that is so cool. Look at the front, the front lights, and then GTR logo. This is so cool. And all in all, this is very good. So it has, you can see the side mirrors in front, and we can open it as well. Look at that details of the engine, so detailed, looks good. And I believe we can open this as well. Look at that. If we keep it like this is looking awesome. And even if we close it, we can still see the details of the engine over here. It's like exterior as well. In the interior you can see the detailings are really sharp. Okay, it's right sided. Look at that. Let me just run it. Oh, this is very smooth. That is good. Okay, so this is looking really good. So that was all for this videos, guys. So make sure you like, subscribe and comment, and I'll bring more videos. Bye bye.